Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo juice bar and salad bar. Today on the menu we want to give you a nice lovely rocket salad with peppers, tomato, cucumber, bits and pieces. And I know you guys gonna love this. We're gonna put some beetroot and some olive inside of it. Enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Chef Ricardo juice bar and salad bar in one. Please don't forget to click on the notification bell and get the latest update. Simple salad to make at home today. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I have some rocket here. I already washed off the rocket. Ready and done and dusted. Alright. So what we're going to do now is go straight into business with it. Simple. I have some celery. Gonna put some celery on it also. And I know you guys definitely will be loving the celery inside of the salad. Alright. That's the celery. Cucumber. We're gonna use roughly half of a cucumber. Tomato. Peppers. And some spring onion. Beautiful and nice. As you can see, that's the spring onion. Also, if you put avocado with red onion or white onion, it won't go black. Learn that, guys. So I'm gonna just use up my little bit of red onion right here. Nice and lovely. Got some olive, which I'm going to be using. You don't have to cut up the olive like this, but it's just a little bit more unique into the salad. You can leave them all up, but I think they're just really nice like this into the salad. But I know how they always do this. Really nice when I do the salad like this with everything. that's formalized and unique. Alright, this is my avocado. Alright guys, please don't do this at home. Health and safety, alright? See? It's good for you to put it on a thing and just do what I'm doing right this. Like this, like this, and like this. Use a spoon, simply scrape it out like this. Alright. Beetroot time. That is fantastic, guys. So what I did, I decided to put another red onion inside of it to bring up the color. Alright, simple. Just fold it in like this. And I'm gonna just simple put it into a bowl like this. Alright, look what I'm doing, guys. And then sprinkle all of this on top of it like this. Alright. This salad, alright, you don't need to have dressing. This all need is some oil. Alright, so that salad, all I need is some oil. Simple. And then I need some pepper. And a little bit of dry chili. Thank you for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. I will see you next time with more salad like this from Chef Ricardo. Rocket salad in the kitchen again. I will see you another time, and guys, enjoy this lovely, beautiful salad once again from Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye.